Okay, ma, nashar. You should all know this one at least. Yeah. Very good, Beta. Ma, nashar. Donna, nasmisa. I don't know if you know adjectives as well, these adjectives. So, Donna, nasmisa. Bad, worse. More, nasmoa. Big, bigger. Big, nasluga. Small, smaller. Art, nasarge. Okay, tall, taller, or high, higher. Sur, nasure. Cheap, cheaper. Dör, nasdure. Expensive, more expensive. They go by opposites anyway. Furasta, nasasa. Okay, easy, easier. Tarif, nasdora or nasdore. Depending on where you are. That tends to be the used one. The one in brackets. Shen, nashinje. Old, older. Og, nasoike. Young, younger. Fata, nasace. Long, longer. Courage, nasgira. That's the opposite. Short, shorter. Fuer, nasuare. Cold, colder. Che, nascho. Hot, hotter. Vienascho amara. Or so they say. Snok, nasnoike. Nice, nice. Blasta, nasblasta. Tasty, tastier. Okay, that's all of them. Everybody's okay with them?
Yep.
Did you know most of them or not?
Quite a few new ones, maybe new 10.
Kaz, what about you?
I knew the adjective on its own. I've not done the comparative
Okay.
at all. So
Yeah, I was the same.
Yeah, okay, that's good. That's good. So something new.
Yeah.
Something new. And Sarah, what about you?
Yeah, I'd say I did know like kind of maybe 9 or 10.
Okay. Yeah. So, well, that's good. It's a good set then.